Here we are going to explain about our mini project title. So our title is Heart Attack Detection System. In our project, we have got a step-down transformer, a LED, a microcontroller, a buzzer, a GSM module, a temperature sensor, and a heartbeat sensing device. It's a heartbeat sensor. So we are using a microcontroller of Atmel 89S52. So our concept is to find a device in order to prevent heart attack by sensing heartbeats. We are using a step-down transformer which converts the signal, which converts the power supply into 5 volts and produces a 5 volts power to our microcontroller board, and we have a GSM module just to send the message, warning messages. So if we are setting normally a person's heartbeat ranges from 36 to 40 or maybe 32 to 36. So if the range goes higher than the given value, the GSM module will start sending a message to the contact list or the nearby hospitals, so they can prevent that state before something happens badly. Here we have a heartbeat sensing sensor. So by this we can sense the heartbeats, and it's also displayed in the LCD board. Also we have a temperature sensor here. So we know that temperature sensor, normally a person temperature ranges from 36 to something. If it goes higher, he may be suffering from something, rise in his blood pressure. So this temperature can be also displayed in the same LCD. As we know that during the heart attack time, the person will be in conscious as well as in unconscious state. So if he is conscious, he can immediately take the remedies to prevent the critical stage. And also if he is in unconscious state, we know that if he stay for unconscious state for some time, his temperature will be going down and the heart pulses will be going down. So by that also, this device can sense the readings, and if there is no signal, it also send a message to the nearby user or the nearby hospital that the person's pulse rate is 0 or temperature is 0. And also we have set the program like even if it goes higher or lower than the limited value, it buzzes, and as well as it transmits a message via SMS through the GSM module. Wear it in the wrist as well as you can wear it like a nearer region in this neck. So the advantage of our project is we can send an emergency signal as soon as it senses the pulse rate is high or low. It can send the emergency SMS to a nearby user or the person's friend, maybe his relatives or the nearby hospitals. I can't say that there is no disadvantages. The main disadvantage of this project is the signal, because if the emergency message can be only sent if there is a proper signal. So we conclude our explanation by saying that heart attack is the most common problem in this generation. So using these kind of devices, we can avoid such instances. Thank you.